Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, January 9th, 2017. Well, the good news here is we are above freezing throughout the entire region as of 9 a.m. We have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s, and that means that all that icy weather out there, all the icy conditions, are going to have a chance to melt today, and rather nicely, with temperatures rising into the upper 30s to around 40 degrees for a high this afternoon. So the snowpack is going to start to melt, but more importantly, the ice that accrued yesterday is also going to start to melt. So that's really great news. Winds are from the west-southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. On the radar, not much really going on. We do have a little shortwave that's diving south through the Great Lakes. That's enhancing some lake-enhanced snowfall. That is trying to push into Connecticut, but really not reaching the ground all that much. For the most part, we can expect scattered cloud cover today. Do watch out for some areas of fog. We had some fog developing earlier this morning. That could be a threat once again for this evening on through tomorrow morning as warmer air continues to move over the snowpack. Tomorrow morning, though, will actually be pretty chilly compared to today because tomorrow we'll have winds that are more light and variable. We'll have a few more areas of clearer skies and temperatures will be able to fall into the lower to mid-teens. So definitely put out your ice melt this evening because as those temperatures fall, anything that is wet on the ground is going to have a chance to refreeze. So certainly a bit of a roller coaster as we move on through the next couple of days. On to the infrared satellite picture. This is the new GOES East satellite picture, the fabled GOES 16 that basically gives us high resolution pictures. As you can see over the northern mid-Atlantic, high pressure is pretty much in control and will remain in control through today on through tomorrow. Then we're going to be watching this cold front as it starts to organize itself, an area of low pressure over the southern plains for the end of the week. That will bring very warm weather conditions to the region for Thursday and portions of Friday. And then things get interesting for this weekend. So let's dive into this forecast. So here we are for this afternoon. Temperatures will rise into the upper 30s to lower 40s, and that means everything will start to melt. The problem is that tonight through tomorrow morning, with high pressure moving right over the region, perfect scenario for radiational cooling. Again, a few locations of fog are possible, but the primary concern here is that all that's melting right now is going to refreeze tonight into tomorrow morning with low temperatures, unfortunately, in the lower to mid-teens. Now, the good news is that we rebound quickly by Wednesday afternoon. High pressure pushes off the coast. Look for scattered clouds. Could be a very isolated rain or snow shower, really not producing much in the way of precipitation at all. But look for high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Now, on Thursday, a warm front will pass well to our north. High pressure is off the coast, and that means southwesterly winds for everybody. And that means scattered showers for everybody, even over the interior. Low temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s. High temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. On Friday, a strong cold front will start to approach the region. Now, this is where the forecast gets a little bit dicey. The timing of this cold front is going to be very important. So right now, during the morning hours on Friday, that cold front will be over the eastern Great Lakes. We have a nice strong southwesterly flow, and temperatures will warm up very nicely into the mid to upper 50s. It's going to feel like a sauna out there compared to the past couple of days that we've been dealing with temperatures struggling to get past 9, let alone 59. So it's certainly going to be very comfortable and very nice out there, but also a bit wet with scattered showers rotating through the region. Now this cold front's going to move through, and this area of low pressure is going to get itself organized. By Saturday morning, that low pressure system will lift up to basically around the Ohio River Valley and northern Tennessee River Valley and start to jump towards the coast. And this is where things get interesting. You see, temperatures Friday afternoon on through Saturday will be steadily falling. The question is how fast this is transferred to the coast to allow colder air that is associated with this very strong high pressure system to build into the region. The slower it takes, the warmer the forecast will be along the coast. Those of you in the interior, let's say around the Poconos, it could get a bit dicey there with the potential for snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So that's something we definitely have to watch out for as this low pressure system jumps towards the New Jersey coast on Saturday afternoon. So basically Friday night through Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon is going to be rather dicey around here especially over the interior and suburbs north and west of the major cities. Along the coast, this looks like more of a scenario where you're going rain to snow. But I need to be very, very, very uh, specific here in this respect. If this low pressure system jumps to the coast faster, then you end up with a colder solution, slower, warmer solution. So there is potential even along the coast for snow here, but right now it looks pretty warm for the most part. So this low pressure system moves through and temperatures will be falling throughout the day on Saturday through the 50s, 40s, and into the 30s. On Sunday, that low pressure system exits. Look for high pressure to build in, a few lingering snow showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies. Temperatures on Sunday, lows in the lower to mid 20s, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. On Monday, high pressure is in complete control with temperatures ranging from the mid-teens for lows and upper 20s to lower 30s for highs. And on Tuesday, a weak cold front will move through, but a few rain snow showers. Look for lows in the lower to mid 20s and highs in the mid to upper 30s. So very interesting weather pattern setting up for the end of the week. Definitely has the potential, especially for the interior, for an icy mess, possibly a very heavy wet snow as well, accumulating, especially around the Poconos. Along the coast, it looks like a rain to snow threat, but how fast does that rain change over to snow is the primary question. Is it happening at the very end, where it just leads to a few flurries, much like what we saw on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day? Or is it something where the transition is faster and you go from rain to ice to snow and a heavy wet snow with a couple of inches of accumulation? We'll work that out and figure that out as we move forward throughout the week. That is your forecast for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.